Sunday morning cooking. This is my goat meat, and this is my pepper. I'm gonna roast all of this, roast everything. Goat meat, pepper. I have my shaki, I have my bomo. So this is really good, clean, but I'm still gonna wash it. This is my bomo and shaki. Pepper for stew, goat meat. And of course, I'll be drinking some apple juice, eating avocado, drinking some body armor, so I can get some strength. Okay, so let's get cooking. And of course, I have my ginger, my hot pepper, onions. I'm gonna roast everything for this stew. I'm gonna be using palm oil to cook this stew. The red oil, of course. So let's start cooking.